Look at the bird. Look at it. You see it? Bruh. Look at it. Just walking around. Yes, I found another one. Look at it. It's so far away. Oh, what's that? Please subscribe. Oh, it's telling us to. It's telling you to subscribe. Do what it says. I mean, really, why not? It really helps me out. I'm still on the hunt for more birds. I'll be back in a second. I'm back. Hi. Oh, we spotted our new target. Look at that bird right there. He's staring right at us. Look at that bird. He's still staring. Isn't that crazy? Look at. Oh, run, 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 run! Oh, he's coming toward us. See? Oh, there he is. Very dangerous. Dangerous, in fact, that you can't even get near him. He'll be mad and bite you and eat you apart. I'm filming this from a far distance away so he doesn't hear me. He goes underneath. Right there he is. He sees us. Oh god. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Here he is. He doesn't see us yet. Huh, weird. There he goes. He went right past. Am I invisible or something? He just went right past me. That's crazy. Where is he? There he is. Very scary. I'm filming this from far up in the sky. You can never find me. That bird is very potent. Oh, that bird's taking a dump. The bird dump. That's the reason I don't want to be near him. Bye. Subscribe. Please. Please. If you ever encounter that bird, please stay away from it. It's very dangerous. Goodbye.